Ever wondered why one video leads to another, and suddenly hours have evaporated in the blink of an eye? Welcome to the world of YouTube's algorithm, the unseen puppeteer, pulling the strings of our online attention. YouTube, a platform with over 2 billion logged-in users monthly, operates in the attention economy. Here, time equals attention, and attention equals money. But how does YouTube manage to capture so much of our time? To understand this, consider the case of Sarah, a casual YouTube user. One day she decides to learn about indoor gardening. She searches for a video and finds one that catches her interest. After watching the video, she notices the suggestions alongside and below her video. Intrigued, she clicks on another video about indoor plants. This is where the algorithm comes into play. YouTube's algorithm has one goal: to keep users on the platform for as long as possible. To achieve this, it uses a technique called personalized recommendations. Based on Sarah's watch history, search queries, and engagement metrics, the algorithm suggests videos that it predicts Sarah might like. Now consider another case, that of John, an avid YouTube user. He loves watching travel vlogs. The algorithm, recognizing this pattern, consistently recommends similar content on his homepage and autoplay. Over time, John finds himself spending more and more time on YouTube, exploring new destinations and cultures. But it's not just about keeping viewers hooked. The algorithm also works to maximize ad revenue. Take the case of Alex, a content creator who recently started a tech review channel. YouTube's algorithm promotes Alex's videos to viewers who have previously watched similar content. As a result, Alex's channel grows, and so does YouTube's ad revenue. The algorithm's impact is undeniable. It shapes our viewing habits, controls the content we see, and even influences our perception of time. It has turned YouTube into an endless stream of personalized content, tailored to keep us engaged and coming back for more. In summary, YouTube's algorithm operates on 3 pillars: personalized recommendations, maximized ad revenue, and user retention. It uses our watch history, search queries, and engagement metrics to predict what we might like, serving us an endless buffet of videos tailored to our interests. Whether we're casual users like Sarah, avid viewers like John, or content creators like Alex, the algorithm shapes our YouTube experience, capturing our time and in the process, fueling the attention economy. So next time you find yourself lost in a YouTube rabbit hole, remember, it's all part of the algorithm's plan. The unseen puppeteer has mastered the art of capturing your attention, but awareness is the first step towards regaining control. After all, time is the most valuable currency in the attention economy, and how we choose to spend it is up to us.